It's gonna be awesome. Oh my gosh!
What are we doing today?
We're dyeing eggs.
We're dyeing eggs.
We're dyeing eggs because it's Easter.
What
Hey,
are
do you
we
like
using?
My ears? Do you like my ears? I have ears on.
And
You have nice ears too.
we're gonna fry them and then hide them, and when we fry them.
Well, first we're gonna dye them. How are we gonna do it? This is all different. There's like
What are we
shaving cream
using?
here and toothpicks and all kinds of cool
The
stuff.
toothpicks are for swirling around.
That's
Okay.
swirling it around.
Well, Mommy saw this video
Oh yeah,
from
that's
Better
right.
Homes and Garden
Yeah, Better
that
Homes
talked
and Garden.
about us using shaving cream and food coloring and vinegar to dye our eggs. And so these eggs are soaked in vinegar. And so now we're gonna put shaving cream in the tub.
First,
Yeah, first, go ahead. Put shaving cream in there, get a good layer.
Yeah, this is so much fun. Oh, look at that shaving cream go. Squirt, 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 squirt. Wow, it looks like snow. It looks like snow.
don't touch it.
Now
Okay,
you're gonna use the spatula to smooth it out.
Okay.
Get a smooth layer.
That looks delicious.
No.
No,
Might,
oh,
might need some more in there.
We got a lot of shaving cream. Yeah, let it go. Let it snow. It's appropriate.
It's okay. It's okay.
It will get messy, kids, so be careful.
It's soap. It'll clean it.
It's appropriate that you're dressed like Anna today,
What?
because it looks like snow down here. Looks frozen.
Get a nice good layer on the bottom.
Good job, Zooey.
Maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, I think more.
Yeah. Not more.
What? The best part. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like my grandpa.
Ew.
Right, he had lots of shaving cream. He's very clean shaven. I think he was a chicken, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Smooth it out.
It is nice. We should go sledding.
I'll get a nice smooth layer on there.
It smells so good.
All right, and then you're
Making me
gonna
hungry.
take the food coloring
I'm
and
gonna.
put some drops on there.
Ah!
Oh, it's gonna get messy.
That's okay. That's what the paper towels
Yeah, we
are
got
for.
paper towels over there. We're very prepared this day. Yeah, chicken will handle that.
Okay.
He got some on me.
So take out the food coloring and put what other colors you want in there.
There you go. Wipe your hand.
First,
This is so much fun, guys.
mine's is this year.
And the food coloring makes sure you have your parents' supervision.
Oh, I want pink. I know. I have
Pink is a wonderful color.
look pink. Pink.
Oh, pink. Yay, pink.
So get couple colors.
And these are neon colors. You can get all kinds of different types of food coloring.
Couple colors.
Yeah, like 2 or 3 that you want to mix together.
So pink and yellow?
First is yellow.
All right, get a couple drops, not too many.
Like one.
Maybe more than
No one.
one. Okay, one. That's yellow? It looks green to me. What other color are you going to put in there?
First I need like this.
The next color.
Pink.
Maybe a couple more drops than that. And move them all over the whole
Put it
thing.
over there, too.
So in their different areas.
Ooh. That's red.
That's a lot. Drops. Oh, that's just 1 or 2 drops.
That's good. That's good.
That's good.
That's good. Okay, we're done.
And then one more color, but mix it all over.
First I want this purple.
This is an
This
experiment.
looks like black.
Oh, maybe over here some.
Maybe over there. What's
It
this?
looks,
What is it?
it looks like black.
Look at this. True,
Okay,
it
don't
does.
use it all up.
That's
We got
good,
a
that's
lot
enough.
of eggs to dye.
That's enough. That's enough.
Now you're going
With
to
the
take
cap.
the toothpicks.
With the cap. Hold on.
Where's the toothpick? Show me a toothpick. All right, and you're going to kind of mix it up, but not all the way. Just a little bit. Mix it up back and forth. All over the whole thing.
Oh, that's neat. Making thrillies. Look at that. This is very cool. Yeah, you can decorate your eggs and get a clean shave all at the same time.
Maybe another toothpick.
Here's another toothpick. Yep.
I think we do our bit from
There we go. Lasers. I like love Easter. You get candy and you eggs, you get to hunt for them, and you get to make them and color them.
Big clumps of food coloring, so every little bit.
This is so awesome.
I think that's enough.
Maybe some will mix over here, over here.
And even over here, I think still some more.
Just put some.
Right, and then
Put the
what you
egg.
do, you roll the egg in there.
The egg part. Put it in the color area.
Roll it around. Color on
This is neat. Oh, wow. Let's just cover
it. And
it all
then
that.
let's put it here to dry.
Yeah, put it right in there. Hey, these are eggs.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
That seems appropriate. What is that, my cousin?
It's gonna be awesome.
Should we try another one?
No. This time I'm gonna do something else.
Okay. And if you want to put different colors in, you can.
With one finger. Okay. Not too much. You see?
That's really nice.
That one
Zooey.
good?
Good job, Zooey.
You might need to roll them in there a little bit more so they get really good and
Yeah, wipe your hands.
good and colored.
Mommy, I already have an egg.
Okay. I've never tried this. This is a video I saw, so we don't know how it's going to
This
turn
is an
out.
experiment from Better Homes and Gardens.
And we soak these eggs in vinegar, so that's supposed to help them set. They're hard-boiled as well.
Yes, we hard-boil the eggs first. That's very important. It's incredibly
You can wipe
important.
your hands at the colors this time?
Oh, here's one you haven't used. You haven't used the blue.
Just put all of it.
Oh, what's going to happen when we do that?
Yeah, Chicken wants to help.
And then mix it well.
Where's your toothpicks?
2.
2 toothpicks. Curious to see how these are going to come out.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, that's very pretty.
And
Oh, I
that's
like all the
pink.
stripes.
It's pink.
I like all the stripes.
It's pink.
Yes, pink and blue and red.
It's turning pink.
You want? Yeah.
Just like put it in for somebody else to do it.
Who's somebody else going to do it?
Chicken.
Oh, I think Bobby could do it. I don't have any hands.
That feels very strange. Ooh, I like that blue. Very cool.
Okay,
See what
but
that's gonna look like. Put it over here.
Okay. Oh my gosh! And that's right brown right there.
Oh my goodness. Well, you mix a bunch of colors together.
Careful, don't have to put them right here.
No, the 2 help to not like which one. Okay, this time I'm gonna get a bowl over here. To eat more easier.
You gonna put one in?
I'm gonna put.
Maybe we should do a couple at a time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pretty good.
Now where the one?
I see a leaf joined it.
Ah!
You can always decorate with leaves. Leaves have really interesting patterns on them.
Okay. I think that's enough. I need another toothpick.
You need another toothpick?
More toothpicks, ladies and gentlemen.
Somebody else gonna do it.
Chicken can do it with his feet.
That's a lot of color.
I wonder if this is how I got all my colorings, you know? If someone dyed my egg when I was a little hatchling.
Maybe.
Down,
Good job, Zuzu.
Good job.
upside down.
Is there such a thing as an upside down egg?
Oh, yes.
Baba.
You know, there are stranger things.
Hey, yeah.
Ha! That's awesome. All right, put it in.
Somebody gonna
And
do it.
that's my song when I make eggs.
Ooh, we've got like an assembly line going here. Yeah, we figured it out.
Okay, I like using my feet. It's fun.
What's next?
Another
egg.
I put the egg in there, and I will dance on the egg. Are you doing this one? Okay. Ooh, lumpy.
This time, somebody else is gonna do it. Ah! Ah!
Ah! Ah!
Somebody else is gonna do it.
Okay, I went to it.
Oh, no, wait.
What?
I got a funny idea.
You got a funny idea?
That's funny.
Okay. Now.
Oh, that's neat. Get some green in there. That's really pretty colors. These are such great colors. Kids, your Easter just got more interesting.
Okay. Here.
Okay,
You
here.
do it this
Hold on.
You somebody else. Okay, I think that's enough.
That's enough. This is so much fun. And I'm getting cool colors on my toes.
You're messy, just like me.
I know. I'm always messy. I'm a little messy.
It's gonna stain on you.
It's okay. I got one with my feet. That way it doesn't stain on me too bad. Yay! Oh, that was pretty cool.
Oh my god.
That may be one of the best ones I've done. It's got cool patterns. Wow. Look at all these different colors and all the peaks. Look at that peak.
Look at our eggs. We almost done.
We're almost
Yeah.
done.
Let me see again. Oh, only 4 more.
Plus what's in here.
Mine.
See. Nice.
This time, somebody else is gonna do it.
Hey, Mommy, why don't you get in the end and you do one?
And we find all the eggs and crack them magically. We're gonna like do some. But then
There you go. That's a good spot.
2 more left.
Only 2 left. Wow.
What's one in here?
That's okay.
What?
It's probably vinegar, actually. I think the vinegar is supposed to help the dye set a little better.
Yes, that's exactly what it does. Maybe over here, there's some cool colors right here. Very cool.
Okay, one more left.
All right, one more left.
Okay, first this little.
Let's see how this one goes. The green in the water. Hey, put it over there in the green area. Yeah, that's good. Ha-ha!
Not so good. That's all it.
That's all of it!
That's
Yay!
all of it. Well, now we need to let these sit, I think, for like 10 minutes or so.
Now.
Very
And then
cool.
we'll wipe them off.
Cool.
And then-
All right,
and
it's time for a break.
and then-
Dance break.
Dance break!
Dun, 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 dun. That's your song. I'm going to check the eggs here in a minute. Hi, kids. We'll see you in a second.
Meg?
Okay, so we're going to dry off the eggs now. Welcome back, kids. And we will be seeing what they look like.
I can't get this one out.
Oh, yeah, you got it. You got it out. Nothing's going to dry it.
I gotta wait for this one to dry.
They look pretty good.
And then
This is a cool, pretty cool
no.
thing.
This and then this one
Wipe them off.
You have to wipe them.
like this, and then another one, and then this, and then I'm gonna like this, and then dry.
I like it.
That's a unique way.
I like your methodology here.
Let's see how they look.
Let's see. Oh, pretty cool, actually. Look at that. That one's a little less, but that one have as much shaving cream on it.
That's one of our first ones.
Yeah. But that purple one looks so
Let
amazing.
me see. Let me see. Show the kids at home.
Are we? No.
Yeah.
And the one is kind of too much, so we.
Those are
What?
pretty.
These are pretty, aren't they? These are pretty cool. Very good. Nice job, Zooey.
Some
Whoa.
of these are not been done for me. Some of these are not done. They are some of
Off a little bit.
some of them somebody else did.
Oh yeah, Mommy did some, and I did some, and you did some.
Whole family adventure.
Daddy did some.
Wow, through vicariously through chicken.
Daddy helps you talk.
No, he doesn't. I talk all by myself.
No, you don't. Look. Look.
You're squeezing my head.
You see?
You're squeezing my head.
You see? Daddy Daddy is helping you talk.
Is he? That's great. He got a funny voice.
Look. Oh, all of them.
All of them all together. Here, get the paper towel.
Eh?
For the egg. For the egg. Yeah.
Oh, this one needs more.
That one needs to be wiped down more.
And this one too.
Yeah, once you get those paper towels there, we just wipe on top. Or not. Yeah, I'll check it out here. Okay.
What do you guys think?
These are pretty cool.
No, let's hide them.
Oh, there's one left. You forgot an egg. The forgotten egg. Very cool. It's pretty neat technique, you know. You got the swirly colors, and you got a lot of purple, which I approve of.
And
Right,
also
the
pink too.
Yeah, pink too.
Yes,
Yay!
yes.
All right, now we're gonna hide them. Happy Easter, kids.
No,
Happy Easter.
no,
Say Happy Easter.
No, we're gonna hide them when the kids are home.
Yes.
They're home. It's gonna help us find them today.
Okay, the kids at home are gonna help us find the eggs. We're gonna hide them around the yard. Okay, and can you say Happy Easter for the kids, though?
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter, you okay?
And you need to get. And I did it twice. I did 2 this time, and then and you guys need to make eggs. Well, my mommy's idea. You did it. Or you get some on your own. It's okay, because it's gonna come off.
That's right. It does come off eventually.
Yeah, and also not chicken.
Yeah, not chicken. My ears are coming off.
Bye, kids at home.
All right, bye, kids at home. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter! Wow! Filmmaking family. Subscribe. See you next time.
No, you-
Cut.